Hey friends, today we're going to stretch some words. Our first word is cat. Cat. Let's stretch the word dog. Dog. Woof, woof. Last one, sun. Say it slowly. Sun. You can practice this at home using coins, blocks, or even your fingers.
Repeat the sound and say out loud.
Keep practicing your sounds.
See you next time.